Okay, Pics from Space, picsfromspace.com. Pics from Space is a Soar company. You can see that down here. It is a way to get satellite imagery over the internet in an easy way. This has been very difficult in the past. I really don't know why. Either it's a bad websites or just really expensive, or the private satellite companies just didn't really want to sell it to to guys like me, like the small potatoes. Kind of more for governments and countries and militaries and big companies, and not really for us. But hopefully this is the answer to that, right? That's my hope. Certainly kind of seems like it, right? The old, in Soar, you can get some of these, private company, SkyMap or CG, like we did with Sentinel Hub and NASA, where you draw a box and you're given the options. That was, I guess, the old way. I think these are probably going to go away, and Pics from Space is going to probably take over if I had to guess. But this is going to be the way you can purchase better resolution imagery. And really easy to get, as you can, as we saw with Soar and the Sentinel data. It's really easy to get, draw a box, and you can get it from there. So same idea here. We are in Pics from Space, and I can let's zoom in here. I don't know, Tampa, Florida. Why not? So I can go search this area. Gives me a kind of a default window, and gives me those boxes. Sort of, same idea as what Soar has before, but you can see you got 7% cloud cover, and that 75 centimeter pixel, right? Like that's pretty good. I've got 50 centimeters here for April 10th, and some clear ones here for 0% cloud cover. So it all depends what you're looking for. So that's and I could download that or get a cost for that. You got to log into your Soar account to get the prices. So what do I have here? Let's look at this one. $328, right, to get that picture. So if I'm doing some project in here and I want really 75 centimeter pixel data for this area, for $328, I might do that depending on the project. If I'm a for-profit company, if there's data I could use it somehow, who knows what it is, right? So it's kind of that simple, right? To get some cool data. So I think you can figure that out. You upload your credit card and do that, purchase one, and see how it works in one of the future videos. And next section, I'm going to show you some cool spots that I found, just to kind of give you an idea of what you can get.